This happened once before. I came through your door, no reply. They said it wasn't you, but I saw you peep through your window. You know, if you break my heart, I'll go, but I'll be back again. 'Cause I told you once before goodbye, but I came back again. As a girl what she wanted to be, she said, baby, can't you see? I wanna be famous, a star of the screen, but you can do something in between. Baby, you can drive my car. Yes, I'm gonna be a star. Baby, you can drive my car. And baby, I love you. Listen, do you want to know a secret? Do you promise not to tell? Oh, oh, closer. Let me whisper in your ear. Say the words you long to hear. I'm in love with you. Try to see it my way. Gonna have to keep on talking till I can go on. Wanna see it your way. By the risk of knowing that our love may soon be gone. We can work it out. We can work it out. I should have known better with a girl like you, that I would love everything that you do, and I do. Hey, hey, hey. He's a real nowhere man, sitting in his nowhere land. You're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose. Yes, 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 that girl. You're gonna lose. Yes, yes, you're gonna lose that girl.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cherry, cherry baby, cherry, cherry baby, cherry baby, cherry, can you come out tonight? Come out tonight. Don't want your love anymore. Don't want your tears, that's for sure. Do down, doo down down. Comma down, doo down down. Comma down, doo down down. Breaking up is hard to do. Down, 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 down me to all. Ooh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 little lonely. Oh, little lonely. It's a Saturday night and I feel alright. So come on and dance. Look at me, Jimmy Mac, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy Mac, when are you coming back? Jimmy Mac, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy Mac, when are you coming back?
afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would say,
2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore.
Especially for me, and the reason is clear, is because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you. Before the second show, why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking our heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more.